Do you want to know how you can upgrade your plan on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upgrade your plan on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, then search for chatgpt.com. You need to log into your account, and after that what you need to do is click on here and you can see upgrade to plus. You can click on upgrade to plus directly from here and it will show you three plans. One is free, plus and team. It will not cost you any money for free, while plus will be given to you in $20 per month, and the team costs $25 per month per person. So you can upgrade to plus or team. If you want to click on upgrade to plus, go ahead and click it and it will lead you to a separate portal where you can log in to your email address and then write down your card information like your card number, your expiry date in your card, CVC which is behind your number or your card number, and then write down the full name on your card. After that, write down your billing address, write down your address line 1, 2, your city, your postal code. Go ahead and click on this button which says securely save my information for one-click checkout. Write down your phone number over here and then click on this box. After you do all of this, go ahead and click subscribe. This way you can subscribe and get your subscription. This was a video on how you can upgrade your plan on ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.